love it when the swallows are out over the river. Seems like a lot of the time after we've had a heavy rainfall and the river really gets churned up, the swallows do this over the top of the water, and it's really, I think it's cool to watch the dance that they do. I always loved coming down here in the evenings in the springtime. One of the things that you used to see quite often, and from what I heard, they ended up cleaning the chimney, and it changed everything since then. I'm not sure if it was this same type of swallow or not, but I believe it was. They used to live right there in that chimney, that square one back there. And every nighttime, right around sunset, you'd see a huge flock going into the chimney right around sunset. It almost looked like a mini tornado with probably hundreds, I'd say, going in a circle over the top of that thing and then down into the chimney. It was like a 5-minute window right before it got dark that you'd see that. Just another thing on the river. I love the erratic way that they fly. It's really cool watching them. Camera doesn't do it justice to in real life. They're acrobatic. They're really cool. Seeing that bluish purple on the wings just makes me think of the Blue Angels.